Hi guys, this is MTP Tech and today we're unboxing something from Apple. This is the MacBook Air that actually introduced a new era for MacBooks. Let's put it to the side, nothing else in the box. So this is the MacBook Air with the first M1 processor. Pretty much the 13-inch MacBook Air with first M1 chip, 256 gigabyte SSD configuration. As you all know, with M1 MacBook Air has two chips inside, two 128 gigabyte chips, so they're faster. And just the base 8 gigabyte unified memory. What else we got here? Some documentation. Yeah, this is a 7-core GPU version. I mean the base of the base. So let's go ahead and peel it off. Ooh, that's so satisfying each time opening these. I love it. Put it to the side. Okay. It has two USB-C. So one is going to be used for satisfying. Nothing in this part, just the paper. Let's put it in the side. What do we have here? Oh my. The sleek. It's actually the first MacBook Air that I own. I owned a MacBook Pro, MacBook Pro 16-inch, but this is the first Air. I already feel that it's just much lighter than MacBook Pro. I mean, you can feel 200 grams. Like when you make food and you take something like 200 grams worth of thing. I think, for example, this Nintendo Switch inlay for the controllers, for the joysticks, I think it should be around 200. So that's pretty much the actual comparison thing that could weigh like around 200 grams more. So yeah. We'll see. What's inside of the box? We have typical Apple fashion cable, simple USB-C to USB-C cable, and we have simple typical packaging, which is awesome because that's paper and that holds this cable quite well. Put it to the side, and here we are, where we have the charging puck. I think, as I remember, the charging puck is 30 watt. Let us see it. Definitely we'll see 30 watt of power. I think that would be enough because the chip itself takes, I think, around 10. It was the usual. Up to 30, of course, with everything else, but yeah. Let's see what's inside of this booklet. Pretty much nothing inside, but few. English, Touch ID power button, essential guide. But what's essential about it? What's where? Okay. Another essential guide, yes, now with different language. I guess this is Polish? I don't know, but I think it could be Polish or any other Slavic country which doesn't use Kirillitsa. So you use like Latin letters with few other like Z, A, Ch, Yacic, Zapulpe. Okay, warranty and the stickers. They still put stickers, I don't know why, but oh well. Thank you for that. Now, since we have it, oh, this part must be unboxed too. Nice, nice. Yes, let me put it to the charger. Yes, yes. Okay. I almost turned down my light. Yeah. Now put it to the side and unbox the main course. That's so satisfying, and it slips out. Damn. You need to be careful when you're doing unboxing, because you know these things can slip out quite easily. It's on the left side. Yes. Bam. As a mouse, we're gonna use Logitech people and legendary sound. Nice, nice. Let's take the paper of the monitor. Ooh, I like it. I like it, like it. Okay, this paper, thin layer. Maybe let's put that in thin layer, you know. If we maybe someday want to resell it. Put it to the bag. And let's try the setup. Good. That was MDP Tech, and thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about it, I know it's already 3 years, I know guys, but if you still need something about it, just hit me up. I think I'm gonna do a Sims 4 benchmark, sort of just try it out video, because I can't, it seems like I can't find any YouTuber who unboxed the Air and tried to play Sims 4, because it's since January, February, March, since April 28th or 18th, it's already supported and already optimized for Apple Silicon. So we gonna try that. Anyways, thank you for watching. That was MDP Tech. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. And the line I say bye.
Bye.